I've been working around the corner for an equipment company for 28 years. So I met Don way back in his youthful days and the family as well. And I would come around here and they would make me feel so welcome to where I felt I was special. Recommend Don's to anyone and everybody. Two reasons. I believe spending money in the community, first and foremost. Family-owned business, secondly. They stand behind their work. I think the service is great. When I give it thought, I didn't have any returns, right? It's not like I come here and we send our vehicles here to be serviced for wheel alignments. Normally we're able to bring our vehicles here, they deliver on time, right, which is key. Because if our equipment is sitting, no one's making any money, right?